Prototype. Enclosure. Based on previous considerations, we started with the enclosure design according to the following requirements. Simple, minimum footprint, easy to produce, aluminium, self-clinging nuts and spacers, input circuits close to the input connectors. Optimum component placement will allow to assemble a unit without a need for shielded cables and automate connection cable production. Actually, it is a significant saving of manpower costs for assembling. We managed to keep all signal connection cable lengths below 100 mm. It is okay to just twist the cables to achieve maximum performance. No need for shielded cables inside the caches. Preamplifier is placed to the back panel near input connector. On-off switch near the mains. Power on indicator on the front panel. The layout is highly optimized for proper connections. The preamplifier has SMD design for minimum footprint and robotic-only soldering. Clipped connectors between the two boards are used, and ROH compliance. Design. Aesthetic and minimalistic. Step away from traditional black and silver designs to stay out of the crowd with memorable colors. Model name VH500. No heavy gauge front panel. Aluminium, powder painted. Balanced XLR input only. High density plastic connectors. Removable feet for wall mount options. And there is a final look at the product. Packaging. The packaging is a significant part of marketing. There we asked professional designer company support. We have a long-time relationship with this company. There are not many companies specializing in industrial designs. Green thinking is important for us as well, so our package will be paper only. Important part is a printed text on the box. We choose a technical approach. There will be a lot of text explaining preamp and amplifier quality with the text specs. All around I'm happy with the end result and printed text. Could you do without design company support? No, we can't. Doesn't matter what we thought about initial design by ourselves, version what comes back from the design company were far better. They simply have a taste and knowledge of how colors and shifts play together. Options. Enclosure with a preamplifier and assembling only. Offered with no warranties and returns, targeting the DIY audience and cost-sensitive market. The estimated total system price difference of 30%. Option 2. Monoblock amplifier with power cord, available in sales per unit. Option 3. Stereo package, our target sales offering. 2 monoblock amplifiers with power cord, 2 XLR 10-meter microphone cables, and 2 RCA to XLR adapters.